Imagine a computer that can recognize faces, understand speech, recommend movies, and even write computer programs. How is that possible? The answer is a technology called artificial intelligence, often known as AI. Artificial intelligence allows machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, understanding language, and making decisions. In this video, we will explore what artificial intelligence is, how it works, and why it is becoming one of the most important technologies of our time. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include learning from data, recognizing patterns, understanding language, making decisions, and solving problems. In simple terms, AI enables computers to analyze information, learn from experience, and improve their performance over time. A brief history of AI. The concept of artificial intelligence began in the mid-20th century when scientists started exploring whether machines could simulate human thinking. One of the pioneers in this field was Alan Turing, who proposed the famous idea known as the Turing Test, designed to determine whether a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior similar to a human. Over the decades, advances in computing power, data availability, and algorithms have transformed AI from a theoretical concept into a powerful technology used worldwide. How artificial intelligence works. Artificial intelligence systems work by analyzing large amounts of data and identifying patterns. A major approach used in AI is called machine learning. In machine learning, computers are trained using datasets so they can learn relationships and make predictions. Another important area is deep learning, which uses complex neural networks inspired by the human brain to process information. These techniques allow machines to recognize images, understand speech, and even generate text. Real-world applications of AI. Artificial intelligence is already used in many industries and everyday technologies. Examples include smartphones, voice assistants, and face recognition, transportation, autonomous driving systems, healthcare, medical diagnosis and drug research, business, predictive analytics and automation, media, recommendation systems for movies and music. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are actively developing advanced AI systems used by millions of people around the world. Why artificial intelligence is important. Artificial intelligence is important because it can dramatically improve efficiency, innovation, and decision-making. AI can help humans analyze large data sets quickly, automate repetitive tasks, discover new insights, and solve complex problems. At the same time, AI also raises important discussions about ethics, privacy, and the future of work. The future of AI. The future of artificial intelligence is expected to bring even more powerful applications. Researchers are working on systems that can assist in scientific discovery, improve healthcare outcomes, and help address global challenges such as climate change. As AI technology evolves, it will likely become an integral part of many aspects of daily life. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It is a rapidly evolving technology that is transforming industries, improving productivity, and reshaping the way we interact with computers. Understanding AI is becoming increasingly important for students, professionals, and anyone interested in the future of technology. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Python AI Frontier for more tutorials and explanations about artificial intelligence, Python programming, and emerging technologies.